Hello everyone, myself Shubham Ramne from Magical Umbrella Private Limited. Today I am going to explain you Python programming language. Let's discuss the overall scenario of Python from the given slide. Firstly, we have discussed about why should you learn Python. After that, what is Python? Then popular websites in Python, framework in Python. After that, last topic of the slide features. Start from the first point. You already heard about Python, but you don't know why should you learn Python. Let's discuss this point. As many of developer, data scientist, software engineer, and even hacker love Python programming language because of its changeability, flexibility, and object-oriented feature. Many of the web and mobile application we enjoy is because of Python various libraries, frameworks, and vast collection of modules. Python uses new line to complete a code, while other programming languages such as Java, C++ uses semicolon or parentheses. Python has very similar syntax to English language. Let's discuss about what is Python. Python is a popular general purpose language that can be used for widely variety of applications. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. It includes high-level data structure. As well as Python combined with a dynamic typing and dynamic binding. The word dynamic typing says that you can run or compile the code even if the data type has error or inconsistency. In Python, variables are not declared as declared in many other languages such as C, C++, Java. Because of this reason, Python knows as a dynamic typing language. Now let's discuss about popular websites in Python. Many of today's most successful tech companies are choosing Python for the backend. These are the some latest websites which are built in Python: Instagram, Google, Spotify, Netflix, Dropbox, and Pinterest. Now discuss about the framework of Python. One of the most famous framework in Python is Django. It includes all the necessary features by default. Django followed MVC architecture. Also, Django is full stack Python framework and it is open source and free to use. While Flask is a micro framework and its design makes it easy adapter to developers' needs. Bottle is also a micro framework which is specially used for building APIs. Web2Py is an open source full stack Python frameworks, but it is not support Python 3. Now move toward the last topic. Let's Python is easy to learn and use as compared to other programming language. Its syntax is straightforward and much the same as the English language. There is no use of semicolon or curly brackets. Python is expressive language. It can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code. A simple example, the hello world program you simply type print in bracket hello words. It takes only one line to execute the code, while other programming language takes multiple lines. Python is an interpreted language. It means you can run a program by just clicking a simple line. Python can run the same program in different platforms such as Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac, etc. Python is free for everyone and it is open source. It's freely available on its official website www.python.org. Python supports object-oriented language. It also supports inheritance, polymorphisms, and encapsulations. Python has large library collection such as machine learning, web developers for script and scripting. Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow are the library which is used for the machine learning. Python supports graphical user interface for developing desktop applications. Tinker, Kiwi are the libraries for developing desktop applications. Python has dynamic memory allocation. We don't need to specify the data type of variable. When we assign some value to a variable, it automatically allocates the memory of variable at runtime. I hope you understand the concept of Python. Thank you.